The University of Central Arkansas has established its stormwater management plan to help ensure that only clean water flows off campus and into Stonedam Creek and other tributaries in the area. What is stormwater? Stormwater refers to precipitation that flows over roads, parking lots, lawns, and other sites. What is stormwater management? Stormwater management is practices that help to minimize the impact of polluted runoff flowing into lakes and streams, as well as reducing the strain that stormwater places on municipal infrastructure. The Stormwater Management Plan reflects requirements from the Clean Water Act, the Arkansas Department of Environmental Quality, and the EPA. As faculty and staff at the University of Central Arkansas, we are responsible for making sure we do not contribute to the pollution of stormwater runoff on campus. We are asking for your help in protecting our waterways by spotting and reporting illegal dumping and illicit discharges. Without people like you paying attention and reporting what you see, our streams, rivers, lakes, and the wildlife they support can all suffer. As faculty and staff, we often find ourselves traveling around campus. This puts us in a unique position to be able to help keep our waterways clean by spotting and reporting pollution that can make its way into the stormwater runoff. Many of the obvious sources of water pollution, like big industries dumping waste or harmful chemicals directly into the water, have been addressed. But water pollution is still a problem, and the biggest source of pollution in our creeks, rivers, and lakes is what we call stormwater pollution. Stormwater pollution occurs as rainwater travels across the ground, picking up pollutants like lawn clippings, pesticides, fertilizer, pet waste, motor oil, construction debris, trash, and eroding soils. This water then goes into the storm system, which includes storm drains, culverts, and ditches. Since these are not connected to any type of treatment facility, all of the pollution ends up in our ponds, creeks, rivers, and lakes. While some of this pollution happens naturally, dumping pollutants into the storm drains and waterways has been made illegal in an effort to try and protect the quality of our water. When pollutants are dumped or somehow find their way into a storm drain or waterway, it is called an illicit discharge. Only clean water should be emptied into storm drains or waterways. It is important for you to stay aware when traveling around campus to help reduce stormwater pollution. It is not always easy to spot or identify illegal or illicit discharges, but here are a few examples you might encounter. If not properly contained, dirt and debris from construction sites can pollute our waters. Construction sites in general can have several activities such as dirt work, demolition, and construction debris, which can all cause illicit discharges. Exposed soil will naturally wash away, but too much of it going into the stream or storm drain can kill fish and cause flooding. Most construction sites are required to take measures to prevent soil from washing off the site. Some common examples include silt fencing, storm drain inlet protection, and erosion control blankets. If these devices look damaged or ineffective, contact the EHS department. Parking lots can be a major source of pollution. Oil drips from vehicles, litter, and dumped food and drink can all be carried by stormwater into the stormwater system. If you notice litter, please pick it up and dispose of it properly. When looking at streams or waterways around campus, here are some things to watch for. Algal blooms in streams and other waterways can deplete oxygen in the water, killing fish and other aquatic wildlife. Oily, overly foamy, and discolored water can be a sign of a problem as well and should be reported. A few dead fish can be from natural causes, but a large amount of dead fish is a sign of a problem and should be reported. It is important that you never try to touch or take samples of dead wildlife or polluted water. Instead, you should contact your supervisor or the EHS department. You can email concerns to stormwater@uca.edu. This email is monitored often. Please include a picture of the issue if possible. If you see an urgent issue, you can contact the EHS office directly at 501-852-2323 or the fiscal plant at 501-450-3196.